Hi everyone. If you dream of starting your own food business, starting with the right machines will be more profitable for you. Nowadays, there are many small machines available in the market that prove to be a boon for small food businesses that you can start from home. Not only that, these small machines not only save your time but also increase food productivity so that you can serve more customers faster and increase your profits. Today, people are using these small food making machines in many small kitchens and workshops. And in this situation, if you're thinking of starting a food business from home, these machines will help you take the first steps towards converting your passion for cooking into a profitable venture. So in today's video, let's learn about the top 10 useful small food machines that can take your food business to new heights. So friends, don't skip this video. Make sure you watch until the end. And also, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get the latest news of upcoming videos first. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. French Fry Cutter Machine. If you are looking to start a fast food business, a French fries cutter machine can be of great help to you, as this machine cuts large quantities of potatoes into uniform, perfectly shaped shapes very quickly. And that saves you a lot of time, reduces labor, and ensures that the customer always gets crispy and uniform French fries. Moreover, this machine comes in a durable stainless steel model which comes in several variants, some of which are manual and some are electric. Number 2. Burger Patty Maker. If you're planning a burger or sandwich business, then a burger patty maker machine is very beneficial for you because this machine helps in making patties of uniform size and weight, which increases your production speed and customers can enjoy the same quality and taste every time. Moreover, it is suitable for large quantity orders and is also useful for making delicious chicken, mutton, or vegetable patties with minimal effort. Number 3. Commercial Deep Fryer. Friends, if you want to start a business based on samosas, bagels, chicken wings, French fries, or any other deep fried items, then this commercial deep fryer will help you because this machine fries the food at the right temperature, which makes the color, taste, and crunchiness of the food perfect and also reduces oil wastage significantly. With this machine, whether you open a snack corner or do home delivery, you can make good sales on a daily basis. Number 4. Pizza Dough Roller Machine. Next, if you're planning to sell pizza from home, a pizza dough roller machine will be very helpful for you, as this pizza dough roller machine will save your manual work time and quickly roll out the dough to the right thickness and size, which maintains the same quality in size and taste of each pizza and speeds up your production. Today, there is a good demand for homemade pizzas, so if you tie up with delivery apps, regular sales will be ensured. Number 5. Sandwich Griller. Sandwiches are a quick snack and are sold everywhere. Also, you can start a business selling grilled sandwiches, panini, or toasted bread products with this small machine, because this machine gives the sandwich the right crunchiness and golden brown texture, which locks in the flavors, and the customers get the best taste every time. With this, you can start a business from home or in college, office, cafe, or any place where people gather and earn good profits. Number 6. Edible Ink Printer. Friends, if you want to start a birthday cake making business from home, then you can print any photo or design on your cake or cookies with this machine. You just need to insert your desired photo into this printer and it will be printed on edible paper. Imagine how happy someone will be when they see their loved one's photos on the cake. This is a very good business with less competition and higher profits. Number 7. Automatic Dosa Maker. Next up, if you want to start a small South Indian fast food business at home or a small South Indian fast food business outside, then this dosa making machine is perfect for you because this machine makes perfectly round, thin, and perfectly cooked dosa, which significantly reduces your production time and allows you to serve more customers easily. So you can make multiple dosa at the same time with the help of this machine, and also you can sell it to a restaurant or start your own dosa business. Number 8. Mini donut maker. Friends, the popularity of donuts is growing rapidly in India, so you can start a small-scale donut making business at home with this machine. Moreover, it's an automatic machine, so you just need to add the dough and it'll automatically make small round donuts. Then you can top them with chocolate sauce, sprinkles and any of your favorite toppings and sell them in sweet shops, bakeries, malls or even online. Moreover, since the demand for donuts is high these days, this business will give you instant profits. Number 9. Dumpling maker. By now you must be aware of everyone's craze for momos and dumplings. Also, it takes time to make them by hand from home. By using this machine, you can make dozens of momos, dim sums and stuffed dumplings in minutes at a high speed. Then you can sell them by delivering them to snack bars and colleges, market areas and cafes. You can sell them from home on your own or delivery apps or with the help of social media. Number 10. Shawarma making machine. Shawarma is a popular fast food that is loved by young people in cities. So you can use the machine to start a small food business at home, serving the popular Middle Eastern rolls. Yes, this vertical grill will prepare you the perfect shawarma meat. If you put the meat on the skewers, the machine will cook it slowly. Then you can cut it, wrap it in bread and sell it. This is a very practical and profitable business. Now friends, if you want to start a business on a small scale, then any of these machines can prove to be the right investment for you. With the right machine, the right planning and good marketing, you can grow your business rapidly. Now if you like this video, like, share and tell us which business idea is best according to you. Friends, please comment in the comment box and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting information about such new business ideas.